Oh, here's a story. Former college professor charged with starting 4 climate change wildfires in California. These were some of the wildfires that, like all of them, are blamed on climate change. And now this former college professor's been charged with setting them alight. It is alleged that Gary Stephen Maynard, 47, ignited blazes in July and August, which could have trapped crews as they fought the Dixie Fire, the second biggest wildfire in state history. More than 6,000 firefighters battled the flames, which destroyed more than 1,000 homes, businesses, and other structures. Maynard is accused of setting the Cascade and Everett fires on the 20th and 21st of July, and the Ranch and Conard fires on the 7th of August. Investigators followed Maynard's black Kia Soul car as they pursued their inquiries, and agents with the U.S. Forest Service started investigating him after the Cascade Fire was reported on the western slopes of Mount Shasta. According to court papers, Maynard was found under the car, its front wheels stuck in a ditch, and its undercarriage on a boulder. When a second fire erupted on Mount Shasta the following day, investigators apparently found tire tracks similar to those made by Maynard's car. NHS's only gender service for children believes all girls who don't like pink ribbons and dollies must be transgender, according to a whistleblower. This is Dr. David Bell, a consultant psychiatrist who worked at the Tavistock and Portman NHS Trust, which runs the UK's only gender identity development service for children. He said the department has a rigid binary construction of gender. In other words, they're following an agenda vigorously. And he says that this organisation is not fit for purpose, that children's needs are being met in a woeful, inadequate manner, and some will live on with the damaging consequences. A lot already are living with them. Dr. Bell described the service's work as a gateway to puberty blockers, adding that around 98% of teens who received the treatment later took cross-sex hormones. And he summarized the service's construction of gender as, if you don't like pink ribbons and dollies, you are not really a girl, and claimed that the center is pushing drugs and even surgery on children as a form of conversion therapy. And this whole agenda of targeting males, targeting women, and making everything transgender on the road to no gender, that's where it's going. The no gender human, that's human 2.0 that they're moving towards.